In this Wing Chun training, I wanted to briefly go over transitioning between Wing Chun and boxing. What I mean by that is, say we're here, traditional Wing Chun, we do a closing step with punch, into boxing, jab, cross, hook. What this does is allow us to expand our range. If we have done a closing step and the person has backed up, we can go out, step out into boxing, and continue the pursuit from here. Or if they've moved off after the closing step, say they moved over here, just simply turn, and now we're in our boxing. Okay, they step that way, step out, we can track them this way. Why is this important? Because if you see here, I'll demonstrate on the pole here, if I step in, jab, cross, this is boxing range. Now if I square up to Wing Chun, and look how far out I am. If I start here with Wing Chun, no, bang, boom, boom. Instead of just doing a closing step, advancing step, right? Closing step, step out, boom. And what that looks like, again, to practice on your own, you can start from Wing Chun, closing step and punch, step out, closing step and punch, maybe turn to a hook or a cross. Other side, box style, cross. Number 2 strike from a screamer. Here, bang, bang. Or maybe your jab, cross, and then step in with Wing Chun. Back out. So that's the Wing Chun training, transitioning between Wing Chun and boxing. If you do have any questions, please feel free to leave those questions in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Click on that notification bell and you get notified of future videos as they come out. And click on this video here for your next Wing Chun training, and I'll see you over there.